company is a distinctive symbol of group of words that represent a business or its goods. When a company uses a trademark, pays the necessary fees, and meets all the administrative requirements, they gain the exclusive right to use that trademark in the open market. But what happens when two companies fight over the same trademark? Welcome to our in-depth analysis of the famous trademark law case Coca-Cola Company versus Bisleri International Private Limited. This landmark judgment in the history of intellectual property rights in India is also known as the Maaza War case. The case revolves around the Maaza trademark, which was owned by Bisleri International. However, in 1993, Bisleri transferred all the intellectual property rights of several products, including Maaza, to the Coca-Cola Company. In 1994, Coca-Cola acquired all the trademarks and formulation rights by entering into a licensing agreement, but in 2008, Bisleri started selling drinks with the same name in Turkey, causing a legal dispute. Main issues in this case include the jurisdiction of the Delhi High Court, Coca-Cola's entitlement to damages for the trademark infringement and passing off, the grant of a permanent injunction against Bisleri, and whether the export of goods bearing the Maaza trademark violates Coca-Cola's trademark rights. The dispute between Coca-Cola and Bisleri was taken to the Delhi High Court, where the court had to decide whether it had jurisdiction over the matter. The court determined that it had jurisdiction because Bisleri carried out significant commercial activities in Delhi. Coca-Cola argued that Bisleri had infringed its trademark rights and committed passing off by selling drinks under the Maaza trademark in Turkey. Bisleri, on the other hand, contended that the Maaza trademark had been assigned to Coca-Cola only for use within India, and that Coca-Cola was not entitled to enforce its trademark rights outside India. The court analyzed the terms of the assignment deed and the licensing agreement between the two parties. The court found out that the assignment deed was a binding agreement that transferred all the intellectual property rights of Maaza trademark to Coca-Cola, including the right to use the trademark outside India. Based on its analysis of the legal documents, the court granted a permanent injunction against Bisleri, restraining it from using the Maaza trademark in Turkey or any other country where Coca-Cola had trademark rights. This landmark judgment has significant implications for trademark law in India and abroad. It highlights the importance of understanding trademark rights and agreements and the need for international protection of trademark rights. As a result of this case, companies should ensure that they have proper trademark protection and clear agreements with other parties to avoid potential legal issues. In conclusion, the Coca-Cola Company versus Bisleri International Private Limited case law demonstrates that trademark disputes can be complex and may require legal expertise to navigate. It is essential to understand the legal framework governing trademarks and to have proper legal representation to protect your trademark rights.
वो लल्लन याद है ना तुमने?
जी हुकुम। हुकुम आ गयो।
जान दे से।
हुकुम ये वाला।
अरे ठंड रख।
हमारी तो बोनी ना होनी ऐसे।
अब धर ले।
रोक ले खेल ले। वो देखते जाओ भाइयों, ढूंढ लो।
समझदार जानते हैं कि हर पानी की बोतल बिस्लेरी नहीं, इसलिए सिर्फ